Hey there, fellow viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that has been making waves recently, the reason behind Pakistan's economic downfall. As an informed citizen, it's crucial to understand the factors that contribute to the economic challenges a country like Pakistan faces. So, let's embark on this informative journey together. First and foremost, one of the major factors is the energy crisis. Insufficient power generation and distribution have had a severe impact on various sectors, from manufacturing to agriculture. This high cost of energy puts a strain on businesses, leading to decreased productivity and hindered economic growth. Additionally, the challenge of rampant corruption has deeply affected Pakistan's economic stability. Corruption not only siphons crucial funds away from developmental projects but also hampers foreign investments. This not only erodes public trust but also slows down the progress of essential infrastructure and public services. Moreover, Pakistan has been grappling with the persistent issue of tax evasion. Though the government has been taking measures to widen the tax net, a large portion of the population still engages in tax avoidance. This reduces the government's revenue, limiting its ability to invest in the country's infrastructure, health, and education sectors. Another crucial factor behind Pakistan's economic downfall is its high population growth rate. With limited resources, the increasing population puts immense pressure on education, health facilities, job opportunities, and overall infrastructure development. This creates an imbalance in supply and demand, resulting in a stagnant job market and underdeveloped sectors. Lastly, it's important to mention the challenges Pakistan faces in terms of regional conflicts. Instability in neighboring countries, border disputes, and terrorism not only pose significant security risks but also hamper trade and foreign investments. These conflicts divert resources that could have been utilized for economic development, further exacerbating Pakistan's economic struggles. While Pakistan's economic downfall is a complex issue with various interlinked factors, it's vital to remain optimistic. The government and citizens are working towards solutions. Developing sustainable energy sources, curbing corruption, promoting tax compliance, implementing effective population control measures, and fostering regional stability are steps in the right direction. So, let's educate ourselves about these challenges, engage in meaningful conversations, and support efforts that lead to long-term economic growth. Together, we can play our part in bringing Pakistan back on the path to prosperity. Thank you for joining me on this informative journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more thought-provoking content.